The AAOBOSI Masticating Juicer JX600S is equipped with a large 4.35-inch feed chute, allowing for efficient juicing without the need for pre-cutting fruits and vegetables. This juicer incorporates advanced grinding technology and a quiet 150-watt motor, ensuring minimal noise and maximum nutrient retention for delicious and fresh juices. With its user-friendly one-button operation and safety features, this juicer is designed to prevent clogging and ensure safe use, particularly around children. The juicer's simple construction allows for easy assembly and disassembly in less than 1 minute, with components designed for quick rinsing, making it highly convenient for everyday use. The innovative design includes a rotating blade and screw mechanism, enhancing its capability to juice a wide variety of produce while ensuring durability with overheat protection. This juicer is a versatile and thoughtful gift, perfect for home use or travel, and it comes with reliable support to ensure a satisfying juicing experience.